Just a little quick video here to help other Tesla Model S drivers. The best accessory I bought for this car is the Parcel shelf lifter. So very simple little device, just a little bit of elastic with a clip up there and a screw underneath there, and then as the tailgate opens, the parcel shelf lifts a little bit like that. So this only cost about £8 delivered, so without it, not a big problem. It's a manual parcel shelf on the Model S's, and there's still lots of space to get into the boot without touching it, but if you want to access the back, then of course you end up flicking it up every time. But just this little bit of elastic makes a huge difference. I'll put the links in the description below where you can buy this. I've got no affiliation with the seller, I'm not making any commission, I'm just sharing the information to help other Model S drivers.